Hey guys, this is Juan from Temperamento and I'm going to show you my After Effects plugin, VKO Shader. So first of all, I have a comp here and I'm going to add a solid. VKO Shader is there's 60 plus GPO shaders that work on any rasterized After Effects layer. So all layers in After Effects that are rasterized, basically text, solids, etc., will work. So now I just created a solid, and I'm going to go to effects, and I'm going to find visual knockout here, and here's the plugin. So I just drag it here like that, and instantly it loads the first shader in the list. It's Aurora, and basically all of these shaders come from my standalone VJ app, the Visual Knockout. So every time, including all the premium packages also. So every time I add premium packages to the main app, in this ecosystem, I will update After Effects plugin and add them here also for free. So basically, you have tons of nice, really nice GPO shaders here. And let's check out some of the functions you can, everything here is you can keyframe. So you have something called palette. It's a lot different kinds of color palettes that I have built in. You can of course animate between these. You can change the speed, the complexity of the shader. So basically it adds more things depending on what you do here. You can also set the BPM manually, but you can also, of course, I mean, this is it comes from a VJ app, so it's beat reactive, so you can add any kind of sound to your comp. Here I have a little track there. Let's just do this, and then we can just ask the plugin to analyze the audio, and it will do that and animate. As you can see, it reacts to the sound. That's really cool. And then you can also do different kind of settings here for bass, mid, treble. A lot of stuff can happen here. You can also increase, decrease the audio amount, that so it will react differently. You can also offset the scale of the shader. You can the position, X and Y position, and you can also scale, and it will remain crisp and sharp. So basically this is really cool. This is how the shader code looks, scaled to 0.1, and which I find really amusing somehow. This, I mean, when I wrote this code, it looks something like that. So this is really interesting. Basically, it looks like this. So you can do a lot of things with it. You also have something called jog, and it's the jog wheel. All of these things, sorry, all of these things you add to the shader code when you are building, when you're writing the shader code. So basically, sorry, you have a lot of really cool shaders, and it's really powerful. But then you say, I want to do more. What do you do then? Yeah, then you go to the free web editor that I have. So you go to this thing here, and this is another shader that I have built using Claude. So you have all the shader code here, and I have compiled it, and then I added wave warp, a modifier. You add modifiers, right-clicking, add node, and then you have modifiers. So for example, you could add vortex, and it will, if you right click, do that, then you can see the effect, that the modifier has. So Alt M, basically, let me try it out here. Alt, no, that was not Alt on my keyboard. I have a strange keyboard. No, it was not that one. Sorry for that. Let me add it here. Basically, modifiers are like effects. So I have something here. This is the original shader code, and then I added some things here. Hue rotate, it will rotate between the hues. Okay, so then you say this looks awesome. I want to export this and import it into After Effects. So export, choose After Effects, download, and you add it somewhere. Let me add it to the downloads folder, like that. Now we have it here. It's a GLSL shader, and then in After Effects we go to the import GLSL button, custom shader there, like that, and then you find your shader. It's here, and then you just import it, and here it is. Boom. So it's as you can see, I have the scale. I think we played with the scale. Here is the scale exactly. We can do a lot of weird things here. And then also we were doing something with the jog wheel. Exactly. So the jog wheel has some settings. I can twist it and make it even more weird. So let's see how this looks. It's beautiful. Yes, it's really awesome. So here's the scale. Let me do something like that, like that. And let me change the palette. You see? So basically, and then this new one, it's here. And this one, you can erase these ones, the custom ones, but not the built-in ones. So all of these I have actually imported. So this one is also custom made, and this one is also custom made. This is really, I love this one. It's so weird. Look. What is happening here? I don't know, but I like it. It looks like some creatures from a dream or something. Really cool. So everything you see here is made with just with code. So that is insane. So you can, this code you can make anything. You can use any like ChatGPT or Claude. And here, for example, when you go to here, this question mark here, you have something very useful, really useful. Let me find it though. Here you have it. You can, this little text file here, if you just download it, LLMs, you feed it to your AI agent and it will know how to write this code, and you can just tell it what to do. It works with every agent. Really, really powerful. Then you will get all of these, the support for the built-in palettes, the jog wheel, manipulator, everything, beat reactivity. So that is something I strongly advise you to do. And also, actually, it's really fun to write your own shader code and have them here in After Effects. Okay, that was that. Cheers. Have a nice one.